So it is on recording, and I'm here to give some inputs and ideas regarding choosing the color palette. I have seen that many of the people doing promoting whatever their business or whatever the case may be, and as well as when they're developing their website, sales funnels, keys funnels, or whatever the case, and also as well doing this uh, creating ebooks using Buildroll. It is an amazing tool, but many people fail to find the right color theme for their creations. Maybe it for post creation, web development, or ebook, whatever the case. Many people getting confused what colors to use, how to choose the color combination. Technically, we call it color palette, color theme, like that we call it. How to use that? How to get the correct combination of colors to get it more attractive? And this is the one of the challenges faced by many of the people, those who are in this industry. But at the same time, those who have good knowledge about designing and that generic knowledge, they do it well also. Suppose in your background, in my background, you can see the Buildroll mansion. See, the color combination is good, very good. Like because it is designed by some beautiful people. So let us know. Let me. I'm here to let you understand how to get this thing resolved in very simple way. So I'm getting into that. As you know, many people using Canva to create posters for Facebook, Insta, whatever the case may be, and doing regarding website or something, maybe using many other tools, including Buildroll or WordPress or whatever the case may be, or even traditional HTML. Our query is that how to choose find a colors. Let me jump into my screen and share the things. Then you understand it very quickly. It's very simple. Before that, before jumping into my screen, let me tell you that see the best color combination ever, best color combination that ever that we see is in our nature. If you see a bird, if you see a scenery, if you see a flower in front of your home, if you go to street, if you go to see a dog, if you see a cat, a parrot, a peacock, whatever you see, the waterfalls, the forest, the clouds, see the nature has defined each and every color combination in very beautiful way. That is the creation of the Lord. So now how we can adopt the exact color combination created by nature into our business? That is I'm going to tell you. It won't take long time. It's very simple. And so let me jump into my screen and share it. So this is, as you know, this is Canva. We used to create posters, etc. here. We can design posters with Canva. And Canva is also having very good color combination themes and etc. I'm not coming into this end. I'm coming to the other area. That is, just Google for Canva color palette. If you Google for Canva color palette, you can see this link, color palette generator Canva colors. Go there. Here, if you go browse and you can see too many options for this features, colors and etc. What we are doing here is that we are taking this option. So now upload an image. You can see it is very simple. I'm going to upload one image to get something beautiful from there. I want to get good color combinations. So based on my concept, well, this is good color. This is a good home. I liked it very much. So now this color, this image uploaded, and the most best color combination from this image is taken out by this Canva tool, and you are given the color code here. So this will be one of the best combination. If you want to try it again, upload another image and let me see something like what should I choose now? Just a good rose flower. Wow, voila, I see this crimson. It's a very good color, right? This area. And this is the combination of colors. So like this, if you use the exact right combination of colors for your business, for your themes, for your creations, the result will be very, very beautiful. Let me try my build old mansion, which I love very much. I want to go there once. I am working for that. Build old mansion. Yeah, this is the original picture. Yeah, let us see from the build old mansion just picked up this much of very good sharp color combinations. So this is the way how we can get color palettes. We can use this, take this copy of notes, and then we can use these colors into our creations like website, landing pages, quiz funnels, or whatever the case may be. And that will give you very good, outstanding color combination results, and the creation will be very much good and appreciable and appealing. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be in touch with me. Please do subscribe my channel. You will get more tips and tips regarding like this for a long time. Thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.